Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the FIFA World Cup, Qatar 2022, football smartboard. The 2022 FIFA World Cup is taking place in Qatar, from November 20th to December 18th, 2022, with 32 teams. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. Being held in Qatar, it is the first World Cup tournament to be held in the Arab world. The opening match of this World Cup tournament is between host Qatar and Ecuador at the Al Bayt Stadium in Al Khor, immediately after the opening ceremony. France is the defending champions, having defeated Croatia 4-2 in 2018 final. This football smartboard comes with 2 stickers with writing on them, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. The FIFA World Cup is the most prestigious soccer competition in the world. The FIFA World Cup is played every 4 years. The World Cup hosts the top 32 national teams in a month-long tournament. This football smartboard also comes with 2 identical goal nets. To win the game, you need to score 6 goals before your opponent does. There are 4 feet included in the box of this football smartboard, and 2 balls of the same size and color. There are 6 blue players and 6 red players included in the box of this football smartboard. This football smartboard has operating levers to move the icons of the players forward or backward, or to roll the icons of the players. And it has operating levers to move the icons of the goalkeepers to the left or the right. Now, guys, let me show you how to assemble this football smartboard. Are you ready? Let's start with putting the stickers on this football smartboard. The 32 teams competing at the Qatar 2022 World Cup are divided into 8 groups of 4 teams, from Group A to Group H, for the first phase. Load the scorecards on to the main body of this football smartboard. Teams competing at the Qatar 2022 World Cup get 3 points in case of winning a match, 1 point in case of a draw, and 0 points in case of loss. Now, load the goal nets onto the main body of this football smartboard. These goal nets are made of plastic and catch the ball when a player scores a goal past the goalkeeper. As I mentioned earlier in this video, there are 6 players in blue, including the goalkeeper. And there are 6 players in red, including the goalkeeper. Let's prepare these players for the big match. There are blue and red colors on this football smartboard to help you insert the players in their correct places. Qatar is the first Arab country to host FIFA World Cup 2022. Do you know what the capital of Qatar is? The capital of Qatar is Doha. Now, assemble the 4 feet at the base onto the protruding part of the base of the main body of this football smartboard. Who do you think will win the FIFA World Cup, Qatar 2022? I wish the best of luck to all the 32 teams competing at the Qatar 2022 World Cup. Wow, this is an amazing football game.